thanks for watching. So today we're opening up the July BeautyFIX by Dermstore. So in today's video we'll of course be unboxing this, and then at the end of the video I will do a quick review of last month's items. And spoiler, if you saw my most recent in a new series ranking videos of all my beauty boxes, this box last month was pretty high ranked. If you guys did miss that, I will link it down below. Before we get started, I just want to take a quick moment and say thank you all for your kind words. If you do not know, one of my cats passed away last night. I'm not going to talk about it too much because I will start sobbing again. The reason why I decided to film is to get my mind off it and stop crying, but I just want to let you know I appreciate it very much. But yeah, before I start crying, let's get into the box. So BeautyFIX by Dermstore is primarily a skincare subscription, and it costs $24.95 a month. They also have the option to just purchase it as a one-time order. So if you like what you see, you can just purchase this month or a past month or prior, like months coming up. Or one of my cats is running my line. So I will link them down below if you are interested. But yeah, let's get started. So you're supposed to get at least $100 in value. I'm gonna open up the box. This is what it looks like. So there is a pamphlet here, and on the inside it shows a picture of all the items and tells you a little bit more about them. It does not have pricing information. But again, if you go to that link down below and you go to the BeautyFIX page, it'll list all the items so you can see how much they cost there. But again, you should get at least $100 in value. You get some full-size item and then some deluxe size as well. And I think I see a full-size item here. This is by Dr. Brandt, and this is the Needles No More 3D Lip Plump Fix. So Dr. Brandt is unfortunately not cruelty-free, so this is something I will pass on. But I believe this is something that has like a double-ended, so there's like two applicators. Looks like one for AM. The AM one's a plumping primer, and then the PM side is a nourishing lip conditioner. Dr. Brandt's expensive. Again, the pricing isn't on here, but this is what it looks like. So I'm not sure if I will put this in a future giveaway or what. We're getting closer to 10K. I think we're less than 100 away now, so that's exciting. Let's see if it says anything else on here. Yeah, it just says plump and soften lips with an AM primer and a PM conditioning treatment. Next, we have something by 100% Pure. This is their Coffee Bean Caffeine Eye Cream. And judging by the packaging, this has got to be full size. This is cute. And it says right on it, cruelty-free. I was about to say, I'm pretty sure 100% Pure, the brand, is cruelty-free, but it's actually cruelty-free, gluten-free, and non-toxic. It says this is an anti-inflammatory, caffeine-rich green tea and coffee depuff while increasing circulation to brighten dark circles, concentrated with potent anti-aging vitamins and antioxidants to awaken the eye area, and nourishing rosehip oil for softer, more youthful skin. So I am overloaded on eye creams, but this one does sound pretty good, so not sure what I will do with this one. But yeah, you get a lot of product in here. You only need a little bit of product for your under eye. You get a full fluid ounce or 30 milliliters, like as much as you get like in a standard serum. So yeah, this will last a long time. And I know packaging doesn't really matter, but I do think this is cute. And it's cardboard, so you can recycle it. We have something here by Murad. I like this brand. This looks like it's a mini. This is their Environmental Shield Rapid Age Spot and Pigment Lightening Serum. It's made with 2% hydroquinone, which is a skin lightener. Murad's an expensive brand. Let's see how big this is. Oh, you get a decent amount of size there. How much comes in here? But it says you use it in the PM and massage evenly over clean face, neck, and eyes. So I don't really suffer from hyperpigmentation, mostly just because I have such a light skin tone, and that's more common in deeper skin tones. But I will look into this more, and maybe I could use this. Sometimes I get a little hyperpigmentation from old acne scars, so this can probably help with that. But yeah, pretty much everything they say on this little handout here is what's on the packaging. A brightening serum that fades discoloration and evens your complexion. And by the way, if you guys have used any of these items, please leave your experience down below so we can learn more about it. Oh, it looks like we have some vitamins here. I'm actually excited about this. I like this brand. It's by Hum, and this is their Hair Sweet Hair Gummies with Benefits. It's made with biotin, folic acid, B12, zinc, and PABA, and there are 14 in here. I honestly really enjoy chewy vitamins. The only ones I have currently are all like the ones that you swallow, and I'm way more likely to remember to take my vitamins when they like taste good. It's like a little treat. So let's see, does this have any gelatin or anything in it? It says it does not contain gluten, soy, nuts, milk, fish, or artificial color or flavoring. Oh yeah, it's vegan. Perfect. If you don't know, gelatin's in a lot of vitamins, like chewy ones, and also capsules of vitamins. So this is just a 7-day supply. You get 14. You're supposed to take 2 gummies, but I will definitely use this. It says maintain healthy hair with this vegan supplement made with biotin. My hair could use some help. It's crazy. I slept with it wet the other day and I just haven't brushed it, and I'm just letting it live its best life. Oh, we have another hair product. This is by R&Co. I feel like R&Co has been in a lot of boxes lately, but I'm not complaining about it. And they've all been different. Like sometimes in boxes, like the same product will make its rounds, but just the brand, not the same product. So this is the R&Co Suncatcher Power C Boosting Leave-In Conditioner. It's cute packaging. I've liked everything I've tried by this hair company so far. Gluten-free, vegan, supercharge your hair with this nourishing and protective leave-in conditioner that helps soften, seal, detangle, and fight frizz. Can be used on damp or dry hair, alone or layered beneath styling products to optimize their performance. You work it through towel-dried hair in style as usual. Reapply as desired for a boost of moisture. Let's take a little sniff. It smells good. Nice. So definitely like a mini, but that's okay. I have so many leave-in hair products. I'm okay with that. 1 ounce. So we have 3 things left. The next is by La Roche-Posay, and this is their Hyalo B5 Serum. So this is made with pure hyaluronic acid, vitamins B5, and this is a little guy. You only get 3 milliliters or 0.1 fluid ounces. So here is the box. Let's see what the actual product looks like. It says hyaluronic acid powers this lightweight serum for dry, dull, and aging skin. So definitely small, but enough to get at least a few uses from. And then we have something here by Avene. Pretty sure they're not cruelty free either. This is the Skin Recovery Cream. Another small product here. It says specifically developed for skin that's naturally sensitive or has become irritable following various aggressions. Apply morning and evening to face and neck following cleansing with the extremely gentle cleanser for intolerant skin. So I'll probably put this in a giveaway or as like an extra on my Mercari shop. It's definitely small. 5 milliliters or 0.1 fluid ounces. Let's see what the last thing in here is. Oh, I think I've gotten this in the past and I liked it. Another deluxe size. This is by Emma Hardy, or EH. Yes, it's EH Emma Hardy. This is the Moringa Light Cleansing Gel. I want to say maybe I got this in a glossy box. I'm not sure where I got it, but this is a lightweight daily cleanser for all skin types. Purifies and helps to balance oily skin, hydrates and moisturizes. So I'm pretty sure this brand is super expensive. I wish they had the full-size pricing on their information card. It says purify your skin day and night with a refreshing gel textured face wash. So I really enjoy using gentle face washes, so I will definitely use this once I'm out of my current wash. I use so many actives in the rest of my skincare routine, so I like a gentle wash. Either is my only cleanse in the morning or is my second step in my double cleanse at night after I remove my makeup. But that was everything, you guys. So I definitely don't think this box was nearly as good as last month, but I don't think it's bad. I do wish I could use everything. Like, I wish every box, I wish every brand would be cruelty free, you know? But I'm sure I can find a happy home for this Dr. Brandt product. I am not in the market for an eye cream, but I'm really not in the market for anything when you think about it. I've gotten so much stuff in boxes, but I am intrigued to try this eye cream. I think the caffeine in it could really help with my puffiness maybe, and I've been extra puffy, but you know, that's from crying. I have to stop thinking about it. I am really excited about the vitamins, actually. I know it's just a 7-day supply, but I believe these would probably be like $20 for the full size. Could be wrong, but maybe if I like it and see some changes in my hair and stuff, I will purchase it. And the rest are minis, but we have the gel, which I have tried and I liked. And the Murad products, I've liked every Murad product. Again, this is for like pigmentation stuff, so I'm gonna try it on my acne spots. R&Co, love it. Avene, I'm pretty sure I'll pass this on. And the La Roche-Posay, I'll use this little guy. So that was everything. You guys have to let me know your thoughts. I think if you love skincare, this is definitely a box you want to check out because a lot of the products they feature are very expensive. So even if you get a smaller size, it still like has a little bit of a price tag because the full size is like $100. Like, so it's nice to try items out before you splurge, you know, especially with skincare because you don't want to get something that maybe you react to or, you know, your skin doesn't agree with. But yeah, so that is everything for July. Now let's do a quick recap of last month's products. So like I said already, I just dropped something, sorry. Sorry, Emmy, did I scare you? So like I said, I really did like last month, so I kept the little handout here so I could remember everything. How about let's start with my 2 favorite products, which I actually mentioned in a favorites video, even though it was like soon after getting this box, but I just knew I love them. So we get a full-size product by Clarity RX, and this is their Glimmer of Hope Shimmering Face Oil. You can see I put a decent dent because with oils you only need a couple drops, but I use this in my morning skincare routine and I really like it. When I read like shimmering, I thought there might be like glitter or something in it, but there isn't. I believe in the ingredient list it says mica, but this is also made with coconut oil, so I was like worried that maybe it would break out my skin, but it hasn't. I think this really helps like achieve like that like glass skin look, and I've been just absolutely loving this. It's the only product which I've ever tried by Clarity RX, but I'm definitely intrigued to try more. And the next item that I absolutely loved and also said was a favorite, I use every single night and I'm almost out, which is a bummer, by Skin Iceland, and it's their Oxygen Infused Night Cream. So this is a smaller size, but you can actually purchase this smaller size on Ulta's website for $25, so yeah, it's expensive. But yeah, like I've said, I've used it every night and I still have a couple of uses left. But I can totally tell the difference. It really is good at moisturizing my skin, and I wake up like just like very healthy looking skin, and I know it has to do with this because a lot of items I'll use at night sometimes are like exfoliating products and stuff that can, or like retinols that could dry out your skin, and this has just been great. Like I might have to purchase it. So yeah, they have a bigger size that's definitely more pricey, like maybe $65. But if you want like a month's supply or just to try it out first, I know I found this on Ulta for $25. And then we received a full-size nail polish by Smith & Colt, and I actually put it on my nails today really quickly. They were looking kind of rough. I'm taking like a week break from like my fake nails I've been like testing out and stuff. And I really like this color. This is actually in the shade Forever Fades Fast. So it's like this pretty light pink shade, like salmon pink. Yeah, I like it. I have it on now. I wore it once before too. I really like Smith & Colt products, and their nail polish is included. And then we received this deluxe size by Oribe. Oribe is a really expensive hair brand, so I always like getting them in boxes. And this is their Beach Wave and Shine Spray, and I do really like this, so I was happy to have this. And then the only other 2 items I do not have in front of me, one was a face mask, like a sheet mask, and it was by Image Skincare. It's a hydrating hydrogel sheet mask, and I don't think I've used it yet. Kind of forgot. I have a huge drawer of masks I've been going through, so I will use it, and I was happy to get it. And the only other thing was like these probiotics. It was by the new company. It's a deep bloat food and probiotic. It's just like a day or two supply of it. I think the idea of it sounds great to help you, like if you're like really prone to bloating and stuff, the prebiotics in it will help with that. I haven't taken it, but I feel like with something like that, it's something you have to like keep taking to see results, but maybe I'll just try it once and see if I do notice a difference in bloating. And maybe I'll get that. But yeah, that was definitely the least exciting item, but everything else I really loved, and yeah, I thought it was a great box. And again, it ranked really high in my rankings for my June beauty boxes. I almost said July. So again, check out that video if you haven't yet already. That was fun, and I plan on doing it for my July boxes, and I took some feedback from you guys, so I'll definitely include photos and stuff. But yeah, so that is everything for today's video. Again, Dermstore will be linked down below if you're interested in subscribing. And yeah, thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you again for your kind words. It means so much to me. It's been a really hard time. There I go again. I'm just gonna like cry instantly. But I'm glad I filmed. This got my mind off it. Boxes always make me happy, and so does talking to you guys. But yeah, anyway, stay safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.